Hello and a very warm welcome. Good evening to all those who've gathered here for the Leader of Travel Awards at the World Travel and Tourism Festival hosted by TV9 Network and Red Hat Communications. I'm Krishna Kumar.
And I'm Sakshi Litoria. Namaste, everyone. Like Krishna has already mentioned, you are at World Travel and Tourism Festival being hosted by TV9 Network in association with Red Hat Communications.
A one-of-a-kind event.
Absolutely.
The biggest travel festival possibly. More than 50 stalls from across the travel and tourism ecosystem, from across countries present over here. And you know the kind of attendance this is witnessed, especially with the Papon concert last night. It's been absolutely incredible. A one-of-a-kind event that is meant to boost the travel and tourism sector in India, isn't it?
Absolutely. And we'll try to keep up the energy like yesterday. Of course, yesterday was Valentine's Day too. I know you all are missing that energy, but we'll try to keep you
Neither of us
up
can sing
and
like Papon, but we'll try to keep you entertained as much as possible through the evening. Just to put things into context over here, India's travel and tourism sector is worth around $256 billion as of today. And that's according to the latest report by World Travel and Tourism Council. And that number is expected to double. India's travel and tourism sector is said to be worth over $520 billion by the year 2035, in 10 years from now. That's incredible. That's the opportunity. Huge round of applause for India's travel and tourism sector.
Krishna. That's some trivia. We all wanted to know that. But let's also talk about how this night is going to be about recognizing and, of course, appreciating those who have made our travel plans possible. This is about recognizing the trailblazers. In fact, the torchbearers of the travel and tourism sector. This is going to be about adventure. This is also going to be about luxury. And this is going to be about you. So let's have a great round of applause
for all those
of you,
from the India's travel and tourism sector. And as we keep talking about, you make our dreams come true. Thank you so much. We begin with a welcome address. What else? And to deliver the welcome address, a true representative of India's travel and tourism sector. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ms. Jyoti Mayal, CEO of Red Hat Communications and Chairperson of IATC.
Good evening, everyone, and a great namaskar to all of you present here. What an honor to be here today, to be addressing all of you. And look at the gathering. I'm so humbled, and I'm so proud of all of you. Thank you once again. I'd like to actually welcome His Excellency from Egypt, a very dear friend, because Egypt goes with me and resonates with me, I think, in my earlier life too, because that's what I've always told him, and I agree to say that again. His Excellency Kamal Z. Galal. Then we have Honorary Consul General Mr. K.L. Ganju from Comoros. We also have Consul General of Slovak, traveled all the way from Sri Lanka to be here, and what a pleasure it is to be here. And of course, we have the honorary man himself, whom I've known since years, and I've got the pleasure to meet him after a very long time, Mr. Sudhanshu Mittal. Namaskar ji. We have the leaders of the TV9 here, Raktim Das, Amit Tripathi, and we have someone, a young star, a budding star of today, the Olympian himself for the shooting, Mr. Arjun Babhuta. Welcome all of you, and an honor to be here amongst you.
All right, so as they settle down, we begin the first set of awards tonight, and that is for hotels, airlines, and state government, isn't it, Sakshi? And to do that, we have some special people coming on stage to present the awards first. Let's begin by inviting back on stage guest of honor, Sudhanshu Mittal, political leader and president, Kho-Kho Federation of India. Back on stage, please.
Can we also have our Chief Growth Officer of TV9 Network, Mr. Raktim Das, on stage?
Jyoti Mayal, CEO of Red Hat Communications and Chairperson THSC, please. Requesting
Also,
you take back
can
the
we
stage.
have Kamal Galal, Egypt Ambassador to India, on stage as well?
The great initiative taken by Jyoti ji and TV9. I mean, really, it's these events which bring the focus on tourism industry. So congratulations. It's a great initiative, and this will be a milestone event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, big round of applause for that, for the World Travel and Tourism Festival by TV9 Network and Red Hat Communications.
I think we need more energy while you appreciate those on the stage.
And with that bit of an energy up, let's begin with the first set of awards. Leaders of Travel and Tourism. First is Leaders of Travel and Tourism, OTA. And the winner is Make My Trip. Huge round of applause for Make My Trip. Can you please invite Mr. Amit Shukla, Vice President, to please take the stage. Mr. Amit Shukla.
Next, we have Leaders of Travel and Tourism, Legendary Hotel Group, for which the winner is
Indian Hotels Company Limited, or IHCL Taj Hotels. And for that, let's please invite Hasi Priya, Director National Accounts, and Chandray Basu Thakur, AVP Weddings and Alliances, to please come on stage. The Lalit. Huge round of applause for the Lalit. Let me please invite Vivek Shukla, CEO of the Lalit Suri Hospitality Group, to please take the stage and collect the award.
Rajan Kale. Can we have you on stage, please?
ITC. Huge round of applause for ITC. Let me please invite Lokesh Sawant, General Manager Sales, to the stage to collect the award.
Anshul Sethi, Head of Sales, India, Sameer Daggi, AVP Corporate Sales. Can we have you on stage, please?
A huge round of applause for Air India. Manish Puri, Head of Sales, Air India, requesting you to please take the stage.
Egypt Air, Amir Ali, Country Manager, New Delhi, North India, Vietnam and Hong Kong, Egypt Airlines.
Huge round of applause for Madhya Pradesh. Let me please invite on stage Devendra Roy, Resident Manager. And for Nature Tourism, the winner is Chhattisgarh R. Sampath, Senior Manager, CG Tourism Board. Requesting you to please come on stage.
Nagaland Tourism, Lisa Pillanar, Senior Public Relations Officer, Nagaland Tourism, Land of Culture and Festivals.
Requesting Sang Droma, OSD, RD, Arunachal Bhavan, New Delhi, to please come on stage to collect the award.
Jessica Wanna Rauti, PPS 2 RC Tourism Department, Government of Mizoram. Can we have you on stage, please? Congratulations.
Tripura Tourism, huge round of applause for Tripura Tourism. Ranjit Das, Joint President Commissioner, Government of Tripura, requesting you to please come on stage to collect the award.
Kashmir Tourism, Mr. Tabish Samuel, Tourist Officer, Kashmir Tourism.
Big round of applause for Meghalaya Tourism, requesting Sabrella Marak, Additional Resident Commissioner, Meghalaya House, to please come on stage.
IRCTC, can we have Promila Gupta, Group General Manager Tourism, Achyut Singh, Additional General Manager Tourism, and Kamal Katiyar, Joint General Manager, on stage, please. Congratulations.
Thank you, congratulations.
Thank
And
you.
with that, we've come to the end of the first set of awards here at the World Travel and Tourism Festival. Big round of applause for all the awardees who've come here tonight. Thank you so much for being with us, and I'm going to thank all the special people on the stage, including our guest of honor, for being with us. Thank you so much. Requesting all of you. We're done with you for now. We have a very special set of second awards lined up, but for now, thank you so much for being
Thank
with
you
us
so
on
much.
stage. Thank you.
Really
Thank you.
appreciate it.
That was a kaleidoscope of the travel and tourism sector that we just saw in the form of the awards. Such a joy having the entire ecosystem, everybody from airlines to tourism
Absolutely.
boards to, you name it, people who make travel happen. They are here, and the best of them are here. So huge round of applause for yourself for being here and celebrating India's travel and tourism sector. We have a very special guest who is going to join us in
A short
moments
while
from now.
Definitely.
Arjun Babuta, isn't it? KL Ganju, Council General, Union of Comoros.
And Amit Tripathi, Chief Revenue Officer, TV9 Network.
Mahen Karyavasan, Honorable Consul, Slovak Republic in Sri Lanka, requesting.
Can we have Balbir Mayal also on stage?
So all the special guests joining us for the second set of awards. Let's begin our second set of awards for Leaders of Travel and Tourism. This is the individual awards. So let me begin with Leaders of Travel and Tourism Award for Excellence in Tourism Marketing. And the award goes to Branded. Huge round of applause for Branded. Shivani Tripathi, Senior Manager, Sales, North and East
Can we
India.
please have a huge round of applause,
Round of
ladies and
applause
gentlemen,
for
at the back,
Branded.
please? Can we please keep our energy up? OMPL, Shelly Chandok, Director, Outbound Marketing. Please come on stage. Congratulations.
Big round of applause for Lozenge Hotels and Let me ask Akanksha Yadav, Director Marketing, to please take the stage.
Ampere, Sonali Thapar, Revis Electric Mobility, Lead Corporate and Institutional Partnerships.
Thank you, but on behalf of Ampere, I'm here, Shagoreka Bhattacharya from TV9 to accepting the award. Thank you so much.
ITQ, huge round of applause for ITQ, requesting Anup Tiwari, CCO of ITQ, to please take the stage.
VFS, Yumi Talwar, GM Operations, VFS Global. Can we please have you on stage? Congratulations.
Pallavi Mehra, Group Director, Travel Trends today at Informa Markets. The award for outstanding contribution to the industry goes to Pallavi Mehra.
Indra Gandhi Pillai, Chief Legal Officer, Lotus Group. Ladies and gentlemen, please have a huge round of applause.
Thank you to all the gentlemen on stage. Requesting only Mr. Amit Tripathi to stay on stage, but rest. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being
Really
with us on
appreciate
stage.
it.
Thank you, Arjun. Let's begin by inviting
Maybe.
on stage Jyotimaya, CEO of Red Hat Communications, to join Mr. Amit Tripathi. One thing that begins all our journeys, and that is aviation. Let me please request Air India, Egypt Air, Indigo, Air Cambodia and ITQ to please be on stage. Huge round of applause for our aviation partners of the World Travel and Tourism Festival.
We have the hotels, ladies and gentlemen, who takes care of our stay, our luxury and the hospitality, of course. We are thanking Taj, Lalit, Lee Meridian, Sarovar Hotels, Expo Inn, Hilton, Sahara Star and Radisson.
Time now to thank both of you for being with us over here. So let's also get in, welcome Upasana to the stage, and of course TV9 Network's Chief Growth Officer Raktam Das ji, Amit Tripathi ji, who's already been with us, requesting you to stay on as well for the next set of felicitations. This one is for the hospitality partners. Let me invite on stage members from Beyond Boardrooms, Rhythm Hospitality, ITC and Grand Venice Mall. Huge round of applause for all our hospitality partners.
Up next, for the DMC, Outbound Marketing, Auxilia, White Hands, Global Rep, Zotrav, Footprints, One Rep Global, Mice Connection, Lotus Group, Tyron Marketing, Nexus, Holiday Carnival, Europe Travel Bureau. Can we have the representatives on stage, please? Thank you so much.
Time now for the last set of felicitations for the evening. And for that, let me please invite on stage Mr. Deep Upadhyay of the TV9 Network. And of course, Jyotimaya, CEO of Red Hat Communications, to please, for one last time, please take the stage for the evening.
Time to felicitate Levo and Cole and Mittatis. Can we please have the representatives on stage, please? And THSC, ICF.
Ampere, Rosa, and Neem Travels, all of you requesting members from these stalls to please.
Explurger and Nexus, please come on stage as well. And we are bringing back the aviation category. Those who are left, please take the center stage. Air India, Egypt Air, Indigo, Air Cambodia. Please come on stage, and ITQ as well.
Right, and with
Like to
that,
thank our
we've come to the end of
guests as well.
felicitating.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Deep Upadhyay ji, and thank you, Jyotimaya ji, for being with us on stage. And with that, we have come to the end of the Leaders of Travel and Tourism Awards here at the World Travel and Tourism Festival. Huge round of applause for all the awardees tonight.
Thank you so much for
And
being
thank you
so
all of you
patient and keeping
for
the
being with
energy
us.
up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.